How to cancel your subscription on the Disney Plus OTT platform. How you can simply cancel the subscription if you have already subscribed for that. Here, if you have the app, you can open it, but I will go through the website that is Disney Plus Hotstar. You simply have to search for it and click on the first official website that will appear in front of you on the browser. Here, as you can see, I do not have any subscription right now, but I'm telling you how you can delete it if you have one. So on the profile, you have to go on the help and system setting. From there, click on the subscription and devices setting on the first of this account. After clicking on it, you will be seen an option if you have an active subscription. So you will see an option to cancel your subscription. As I don't have right now, I don't have to see that option. But if you have already subscribed to this account, you will be seen an option to delete or to cancel your subscription. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. And please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates and videos like this.